Let's start off with the Geranium Balsamic Note perfume. So this one smells slightly woody, spicy. I kind of get this gin tonic vibe. It's green, slightly spicy, not bad. Let's see, vanilla black pepper. Oh, this should be nice. I'm gonna try this one on my skin directly. Yeah, I like this. This one reminds me a little bit of Bois d'Argent, but fresher and a little bit lighter. And I do get the black pepper. Resinous, very edible vanilla. I really like this one. This would be a vanilla that I would like to wear. If you really love vanilla and you don't want to be overly sweet and heavy in the summer, might be a good choice. Ooh, sea salt and caramel. I remember loving this color bottle when I saw it at the expo a couple of years ago, and I remember liking it a lot as well. Just look at this color. I'll also try this on my skin. Oh, yes. Sea salt, caramel. That's a good description. Yeah, so this is I don't really love aquatics usually, but this is sweet enough that it doesn't smell like your typical aquatic. I don't know what to say except that it smells like sea salt and caramel. Also a little peppery. Yeah, sweet and fresh and sea salty. Again, this would be a good sweet scent that is appropriate for summer and spring. I can imagine they probably don't last too long. I'll get back to you on that. They seem pretty fresh. The top notes might disappear soon, but this is good at first sniff. Then the Sandalwood Neroli. Let's see. Another good one. I smell a lot of neroli. Fresh citrusy neroli, bergamot, sandalwood, a ton of sandalwood. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, it's nice. Very mild. It's fresh sandalwood. Probably not something I would... I don't know, maybe I would wear it. Again, a good one for summer that would not typically be a good summer fragrance. Maybe this would be a good series for like summer fragrances that are not your typical summer fragrances. Then the Yellow Rose Incense. This, I can't imagine I would like this much. I am quite sick of the rose incense combos. Let's put this on a tester strip. This is kind of nice actually. It's one of the better rose incense combos. If you like rose incense, then this is definitely one of the better ones. It's more in the Serge Lutens Portrait of a Lady kind of quality, not your oud bouquet heaviness, but still not. I'm so sick of the oud, the incensey rose. What did I say? Oud? It's rose incense. Oh, maybe that's why I like it. It's rose incense. And I smell oud in here. It's probably oud in here. Yeah, rose, incense, patchouli. A typical combo, I think. Yeah, not bad. Then, let's go for the Eucalyptus Patchouli. This is something I'm curious. I really love the colors of these bottles. Eucalyptus Patchouli. I don't know in which setting I would typically want to smell like eucalyptus. To me, it reminds me of being ill. So for me, this is a pass just because of association. Because eucalyptus really is just, has that Vicks Vapor Rub association that I don't really want to be reminded of. But yeah, it smells like eucalyptus. I can imagine when this starts drying down, maybe. I'll get back to you on this one. Maybe when the eucalyptus dries down, it'll start appealing to me more. I like the scent of eucalyptus, but maybe not in perfume. Then let's go for the coffee and white flowers. Ooh, okay, this is interesting. Again, not the biggest fan of coffee in fragrances typically, but this combo is nice. It smells like chocolate and rum. Whew. No, this is your very chocolatey coffee, spicy, a little boozy. This is nice for winter. If you like coffee and chocolatey, then this is pretty nice. At first sniff, at least. And Olibanum Gardenia. I do like the combinations. They're pretty original. Yeah, the opening of this is very heavy on the Olibanum. It's kind of bitter, very balsamic, very aromatic, very masculine. Not for me. This is my least favorite. The opening of this is my least favorite up to now. But I can imagine a lot of people like this. A lot of guys will like this. It's very masculine again. Very resinous and woody. But very heavy on the incense and the resins, but in a heavy way, because I typically really love resins, but this is too much at this point. We'll see in the dry down. Now this one I'm excited about. I remember smelling this at the expo where I first discovered this brand a couple of years ago, the expo in Florence, and I really wanted to buy this at the time. If I was able to purchase it at the expo, I would have. I was also just crazy about the red color. I don't know what my deal is with red fragrances, but also, I mean, red wine and brown sugar. How can you not love that idea? Oh yes, oh yes, I remember. Oh my god, oh, yes, I still love it. Okay, my taste has not changed. Oh my god, this is so good. This does smell like red wine and brown sugar. They're good at their descriptions. Okay, so there's this drink, this magical drink called Iga juice. This smells like that juice. Don't spray this on a white shirt, obviously. Then yeah, this is great. This is a little bit fruity, sweet, a little boozy. But I don't really, it's not like the red wine kind of booze. It's the liquory booze with sugar and fruit. I don't know what it is, but this is really good. I love this. Okay, revisit during dry down, but wow. How is this not raved about everywhere? I don't get it. So unique. I've never smelled anything like it. Beautiful. It's really, really good. Oh, and then this purple one. Just look at these colors. Just imagine having this as a series. Okay, so this purple one called Dark Final and Musk. Now this is a nice resinous one from this house. Very resinous and woody. Not super unique. It's like I've smelled this before, but I don't really know where. I think the Dark Final is probably like Styrax that I'm smelling. Can't really get musk right away, maybe in the dry down. Not my favorite, but this is a resinous one that is more to my liking than, for example, this old Olibanum Gardenia one. And then there's two here. This wet cherry. Oh my god. This is something I'm excited about. I'll leave that for last. You know, cherry. Probably my favorite note. But let's just try the wild carrots. Wild carrot and oud. Another really special combo. And a nice orange, obviously orange color. And this is not the way to spray a tester. But okay, you smell the carrot. You smell the oud. But do I want to smell like a carrot and like oud? No, probably not. That's interesting though. That's very, very interesting. I think a lot of these are interesting. I don't know why this doesn't have more, this doesn't get more more love in the fragrance community. It's kind of dirty and earthy, woody, and carrot. The carrot is going away quickly. In the opening I got more carrot. That's quickly going away and turning more earthy. And again, like I sprayed this thicker part so you can see the colors better. But typically it's better to spray the intention is to spray the tip of it, because there's more contact with air and you get a better olfactory experience. But yeah, interesting, but not something I would spray on myself for fun. Probably. This is going to be easy to recognize with the colors. That's fun. Oh, and now la pièce de résistance. The white cherry. Oh my god. A cherry liquor one. Okay, this is definitely going on skin. You are worthy of my skin. Okay, very lost cherry-ish. That's the first that comes to mind. Which is great, because Lost Cherry is a masterpiece. Yes, very Lost Cherry-ish. Cherry, caramel, booze. Very sweet. It's maybe a little bit sweeter than Lost Cherry at first sniff. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so if you want an alternative for Lost Cherry, this might be a good one. I'll let you know if it lasts longer, because Lost Cherry doesn't have the best longevity in the world, and it's super, super expensive. So I did get these sent to me, so I didn't pay for them. So I don't know how much this costs. I don't know how much a full bottle is either, but I can imagine it's less than Lost Cherry. Okay, but yes, this is a nice discovery kit. So, okay,